This 2021 Forest River Sunseeker 2500 TS is a Class Circa RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Forest River is 27 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a slate, black diamond walnut and Vermont oak interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, skylight, refrigerator, smoke detector, Colorado detector, air conditioning, oven, TV antenna, external shower, water heater, and 44 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Forest River Sunseeker 2500 TS is built on a Ford Super Duty E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V10 6.8L 305 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.